So I did it again. Yeah, new watch. What could I have done? I was in the microbrand festival, and I walked by their booth, met with the guys there, really friendly, really cool guys. Talked to them, looked at their watches. This one just blew me away. It felt like a Nomos, but somehow even better. And yeah, it's just a watch that I definitely would wear directly. I'll just wear it even today when I'm going to work afterwards. And here we have the Deutsche Uhrenmanufakturen, so short UG. I'll cover I'm just speechless after I see this dial. So this is the Purist Type 1 with the brown dial. So this dial is a special edition. They had with numerals, but they were sold out. The last one sold there, and now they have only the indices. They have granite gray also as a limited edition, and blue, black, white as the normal editions. As you can see, the Glashütte. So DUG is a small manufacturer in Glashütte, where they, let's say, make small numbers, very cool watches. They have only a couple of models. So that's why I really, like I said, I support smaller watch companies better than large ones. And now that I'm, let's say, mentally prepared to sell my Nomos, I have this one to replace it. It does have the 100 meters water resistant. It does have an automatic movement, which is so well decorated, based on the Sellita 400, as you can see. And you have here the Glashütte emblem or text, which means that the watch was made in Glashütte, because this is very strict in Glashütte, this emblem. You have this onion crown, and let me get my caliper to show you how big is the watch. So the watch is 40 millimeters in diameter, around 48 lug-to-lug, thickness around 10.5, lug width 20 millimeter, and on my 17.1, which is 6.7 inches wrist, it will look like this. Back in. Just love this brown fume dial. It looks so cool. You have this DUG 400 Sellita, which is based on the Sellita SW 400. Well decorated, well made, very smooth rotor movements. 100 meters water resistance, so you can swim with it. And you have a great loom. Let me open it. It might not look like it's a lot of loom, as you can see here, but the first time I wore it, I filled it up, went out, and then I woke up in the morning around 7 o'clock in the morning, and I still was able to tell the time. So that's something that really you don't find that often. You have the Super-LumiNova BG W9. And yeah, like I said, DUG is a family company. They're directly to customer. They have this vision of high quality Glashütte watches to make it a little bit more affordable. And with this Type 1 Purist, I think they made an amazing watch. You have combination of brushed, polished chamfers, polished lugs, so brushed on the side and polished on the front. Plays really nice with light, especially with this double AR coated sapphire crystal, so it's very legible. Sapphire on the back as well, stainless steel, made in Germany, as you can see on the 6 o'clock. And really nice watch. 3-piece case, so you have a front, middle and back. I think I covered the price. So you can get this watch for 1,149 on the leather strap. They do offer also other strap options like the black one and the gray one, which I both got because really nice. And I even ordered the bracelet, which will come in the next day or two, that maybe I will be showing then for the review video, which I will add both of them. We have here DUG on the crown as well. Small details all over the watch, and I think it just makes this watch fantastic. Really nice watch. Definitely check their website out, because before the event I didn't know about them, and now I'm really impressed with what they're doing and for the price that they're doing with. Like, when I talked to Tony, the CEO of the company there in the event, in the expo, their goal is to really introduce great watches for good prices. Compared to the other watches that I have had the pleasure to try on, some of them were just, sorry to say, but sniffing glue. Like a Grand Faux enamel dial, which was basically normal dial with a plain Miyota movement for 4,000 euros. That's just plain crazy. That's one of the brands that I saw that they just had a crazy amount written on their watches without. Okay, that's too much. But this one, I feel like that's very well priced. Anyways, let me know in the comment section what you think about my new purchase. Let me know if you've heard of DG before and what you think about this color of the dial as well. As always, this is an invitation to subscribe, hit the bell button, and you will find a video on the left and on the right that you might enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.